Sanchit Escape. I am reading was a story. Ananya goes trekking. Ananya and her parents went trekking. While they were walking, Ananya saw a cactus. Her father advised
Continue.
her not to touch the cactus. They rested under the shade of a banana tree.
Hey.
Ananya saw a grasshopper eating grass. Her mother saw a touch me not plant. Ananya was surprised when the
Leaves.
leaves of the plant
Folded.
folded when she
Touched.
it. Her father made fire using firewood. Ananya felt
Warm.
warm.
Felt warm.
Warm. They returned home. Ananya learned a lot about nature. Thank you.
Very good.